Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to block someone on the Instagram app when you're using it on your PC. If you've ever needed some privacy or simply want to stop someone from contacting you, this quick guide will make it easy to handle. Blocking someone on Instagram is simple, and with the latest update, the process is even more straightforward. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open the Instagram app on your PC. Once the app is open, go to the top search bar and type in the name of the account you want to block. Select their profile from the search results so you're taken to their main page. Now, look closely at the top right area of their profile. You'll see 3 dots right next to their username. Click on those 3 dots. This will open up a small menu with several options. From that menu, select the option that says Report. Instagram will ask you to choose the purpose for the report. Don't worry, you're not necessarily filing a report against them unless you want to. This step is required before you move on to the block option. Go ahead and choose the reason that best fits your situation, and once you've done that, you'll move forward to the block settings. Next, you'll see the block option appear. Click on Block, and Instagram will confirm if you're sure about your choice. All you need to do now is hit Confirm, and that account will immediately be blocked. That means the person can no longer view your profile, your posts, or send you direct messages. It's a quick way to protect your space and create more peace of mind while using the app. And that's it. You've successfully blocked someone on Instagram using the PC app. Following these steps takes less than a minute, and it gives you complete control over your online experience. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to keep your app updated so you always have the latest features at your fingertips. Thanks for watching.